Using Pictory AI is quite easy, and there are plenty of videos available on YouTube to help you get started. However, in this video, I will provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on Pictory AI. Besides that, I will also share some tips and tricks that, when followed, can help you create mind-blowing videos using Pictory AI. If you upload these videos to YouTube, you'll receive a lot of engagement, and you'll also get millions of views every month from all around the world. You can see these are some YouTube channels from which you can learn which are using the same tricks, and they are getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars every month. One more thing, some people say that AI-generated videos cannot be monetized, but this is completely wrong. AI videos can be 100% monetized if you create unique content, so there's no need to worry about that. Alright, let's get started with the video. I have provided a link to Pictory AI in the description below, so you can sign up there. You will also find a 20% discount code that can help you save some money. Okay, you probably know about Pictory AI, which is an AI tool that turns text into powerful videos. I won't go into too much detail about it. Let's talk about its pricing. If you want to make videos longer than 20 minutes, go for the premium plan. But if you want to make videos longer than 10 minutes, so standard plan is fine. Both plans offer extra savings. If you buy them annually, you can save 15%. And with my 20% discount code, you'll save even more. Okay, after signing up, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you'll find many features. But for now, we want to use the script to video feature. Simply click on Proceed. Okay, but now you'll need a script. You can create a script using ChatGPT. But if you're not confident in using ChatGPT effectively, and you want to create a highly engaging script, an eye-catching title, and a compelling description to keep viewers watching your video for longer, you can use this prompts. It provides not only prompts specifically for YouTube, but also over 5,000 AI prompts for digital marketing purposes. You can check it out in the link provided in the description. Okay, let's come to the point. You can write a script on any topic you like, such as health, wealth, facts, etc. For example, if you want to write a script in the health category with the title, How to Get Clear Glowing Skin Naturally at Home, you'll provide ChatGPT with a prompt like, write a step-by-step YouTube video script of 1,200 words on the topic, 10 ways to get clear glowing skin naturally at home. Each step should be in 6 lines, and include a compelling hook at the beginning to keep viewers engaged. As soon as enter, ChatGPT will generate a complete script for you. You can copy this script and paste it into Pictory AI. Now you need to implement my first technique. You have to separate each sentence individually, just like this. Doing this will give you results that are 10 times better. It's a somewhat time-consuming task, so I'll fast forward through this part. I'm confident that you understand what I'm trying to convey. Alright, after doing this, our script will look something like this, which will appear quite different from the original. Alright, now you need to follow my second technique, which is to highlight the main point of each sentence. You'll notice a highlighting feature here. Your task is to identify important words in each sentence and select and highlight them. For example, if skincare is our main keyword, I'll highlight it like this. By doing this, Pictory AI bot will pick up video footage according to the highlighted words. Your video will be created faster and with better results. Trust me, you should definitely do this. Since this is also a somewhat time-consuming task, I'll fast forward through this part. In the meantime, you can follow these steps. Alright, after completing those steps, simply click on Proceed. From there, choose a suitable template. I'll go with this one, because it looks good for a health video. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. Now, first of all, here you need to add a voiceover. You have 3 options. First, apply AI voice. Second, upload voiceover. And third, record your own voiceover. I recommend starting by recording your own voiceover and then uploading it on Pictory AI. If you can't record your own voice, you can use AI-generated voices. I suggest using 11 Labs for generating the voiceover because they provide realistic, human-like voices. Although Pictory AI also offers AI voices, they may not sound as realistic, so my recommendation is to go with 11 Labs. But remember, your script and voiceover should match. Only then will Pictory AI be able to synchronize your voiceover with the video correctly. Okay, I've already generated the voice using 11 Labs, so I'll just upload the voiceover here. After that, I'll add some background music to make the video more interesting. Keep the background music volume a bit lower. Alright, once I've done that, I'll click on the entire video. In Pictory AI, you get an auto-synchronization feature that will sync your voice with the video seamlessly. Perfect. Here you can also hide or unhide the subtitles, but I will not recommend this, because adding subtitles boosts the engagement of the video. Therefore, do not hide the subtitle. We'll fix the subtitles at the bottom of the video. Just click on Subtitle, and then we'll change the colors of Subtitle. I'll keep the colors dark, and increase the background color opacity to make the video more visible and attractive. You can also change the subtitle animations if you like. There are various animation style available. Apart from this, we can change font style, bold text, and etc. Once we've made these changes, we'll click on Apply to All to apply these settings to the entire video. You can also save your unique subtitle style from here, so that you can use the same style in all your videos. You can see that your subtitle has been saved here. Now you can use it directly in any video. Okay, now there's one more important thing to do, which is to replace video clips. If you preview the video, you'll notice that some video clips may not match the script properly. But if I go to the end, you'll see that there are quite a few stock footage clips that fit well. This all depends on the script. The result will vary depending on the quality of the script. One of the advantages of Pictory AI is that you don't need to purchase stock footage from third-party websites like Storyblock or Estox, which can be quite expensive. In Pictory, you'll have access to all of them. Now to replace footage, simply select any scene. Go to the visual section and choose a video clip related to your topic. Like our topic is skincare. You can add video clips related to skin like this. Next, let's move to scene 2. Here, you have to search for glowing skin and you'll find thousands of footage options. You can choose the one that suits your video the best. Similarly, you'll need to replace the video clips throughout the video. This process might take a bit of time, but trust me, it's essential if you want to create an outstanding video. I'll fast forward through this part because it can be quite time-consuming. In the meantime, you can enjoy the music and even have a cup of tea if you like. Additionally, you can add separate headings here, but I recommend using either subtitles or headings, not both at the same time. Okay, I hope you understand my point. Besides that, you have access to thousands of emojis and GIF files that you can use in your video. You'll also find various heading styles available, and that's how our entire video will be ready. Now I'll go to the download section and download the video. Let's take a look at the final video.
If you're dreaming of that radiant, clear, and glowing skin, but don't want to break the bank on expensive skincare products, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways to get clear, glowing skin naturally at home. These are simple, affordable, and effective techniques that will have your skin looking its best in no time. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Stay hydrated. First and foremost, start your journey to clear, glowing skin by staying hydrated. Water helps flush out toxins, keeping your skin clear. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And don't forget to add a slice of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C. Step 2. Cleansing. Cleanse your face twice a day to remove dirt and impurities. Opt for a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Massage it in circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water for a fresh, clean canvas.
Our video is very well made. And you don't have to think about this watermark, because if you buy a subscription of Pictory AI, this watermark will be removed. Trust me, if you work in this way, you can create a professional level video. Guys, the more time you invest, the more powerful your video will become. So please, try to do your best. Everything depends on your hard work. One day, your YouTube channel will truly grow, and you can also earn money, okay? I hope you liked the video. If yes, please like and comment. Press the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest videos. And if you're interested in starting a successful faceless YouTube channel, be sure to watch this video.